guys! Welcome to Raven's Fun Toys channel! Yesterday I do a soda ice candy, and the soda ice candy turned this to soda drink. And today I'm gonna do Hello Kitty, 私の冷蔵庫. Is that mean my ref? Okay, let's open it. It's easy to open it, just like this. Open this. And it's missing here egg because my house ref is on the down of the ref. And let's get this and have some oven too. And I'm gonna clean my own ref just like this. And this is oven. Let's and I forgot. Later I'm gonna open the magic sand. This magic sand is just like a netted sand, guys. Wow. What? The egg. Again the egg. Oopsie. I can't get this little egg. Oh no, I think I get this carrot nut. No. Okay, help me, my sister, because I'm gonna call my sister. And I can get this little egg. It's just like an emergency. And this is the tweezer. What? Another egg is missing. What? What? Tingin ka sa ilalim. Tingnan mo nga sa ilalim kung may nahulog na egg. Where is my another egg? Oh, house. Let's clean it. This one I can get it, and this one is not good yet. Dito ata yung dito. Let's get this chocolate. Oops, someone's. Let's put chocolate. Oh, that's cool.
Ay, dikit mo na yung mga unan. Ben.
And thanks for watching. Watch the part 2. Bye.